Finding out all the array element by index, it is called the linear search. So let's start coding. There you will understand very easy the concept of linear. As I talk about what is the linear search is that you just start from the first element and check each element one by one, which until you don't find the element which you are try to find out the in the array. So this is the linear search. Linear search is a very simple, just find out the array element one by one. That's called the linear search. In binary search I will talk about later, but here I am talking about linear search. So let's search an element. That will be easy to you to understand the concept of linear search. Okay, so let's search and then you will understand it. Create first of all array. You will have to require an array and pass some element, suppose 11, 12, 10, 9 and 13, 13 and 14. These are the element of an array that I want to give here, and I given here also. So we want to search the array element. So what we can, let's keep the simple array element that will be easy to you to understand. Suppose 5, 5. Let's erase all those things, then it will be right. 5 and 8, 5, 8, 2 and 10 and 3. These are the element I want to give here, and this is the ag also. So what we have to do, we want to find out the targeted element. Which element? Targeted element, suppose like I want to find 10. Where is it? 10 in the array. So for that we will have to require create a static method here. So let's create a static method that will return here linear search I'm talking about. So to give it name of linear search and pass the array and which value I want to find out here. Int target. What is my element which I am trying to search in the array? Search means search the element and find out the element of an array. That is called searching. Searching, there are two types. I also talk about linear search and binary search. But linear search is that I'm talking about. Just you have to search one by one index. That is called the linear search. So linear search, let's apply here. For that we will have to require here the for, because one by one element you are searching. For that, for firstly we will have to search the index 0 and so on till the length of array. Okay, so array dot length I plus plus, and then find out the array. If array of I is equal target element, means array of element is equal to target element, then return the index. I want to return the index, which index it exists the our element. That's it. If it is exist, then return this. If it is not, then return something else. What return? Return -1. I've just needed this. Okay, I have just created a very simple code to you to understand. Just let's figure out again. Starting from the 0 index, go one by one. As you know, this is for loop. Say it will print 1 2 3 4, so on index it will search. So from the 0 index it will go and match. If it is matching, then return this. I means what is whatever index will match from the targeted element, then it will return. If it is not matching, then it will return -1. I hope you will get understood. So let's try to call this function, call these methods, and then see what is the index of array element that will be your result. So for that we will require here the result integer result, because we are just returning here, so that we require here to call in the result variable. So linear search, and I pass the array and pass the target variable. I hope it will be right. Linear. I written above right, but here is a mistakes. Linear spelling. Okay, right. It will be right now. Yeah, it's right. Let's traverse the whole area. Then it will print the your index element. Suppose not traversing here. Suppose result is not equal to -1. If it is result is not -1 means you are just getting your index element. For that I am applying here if condition. If condition, so it is return your system dot out dot println. If your result is not -1 means you just found your the target element, then you will print this message. The these found the index, found the index of index at found index at index. Just message will be this, and just print the variable result. Okay, so this will store the result in index of element, index which element it exists. And let's print the else part. System dot out dot println. It means that element not found, element element not found. Okay, element not found in array. This message I given here. If it is not founding in array, then this message will print. And if it's found in array, then it will result the index of element. I hope you will get understood. If you are not understanding the what I have written the condition here, condition is that if result is not founding, if result is not founding, okay, if result is not equal to 1, -1 means this condition should be true. Okay, if result is not -1, then it will print. If it is -1, then else part will print. Okay, I hope you will get understood. Let's run this program, then it will be easy to you. Yeah, the found at index something like that, index 3. What if this result is right? 10 is where 0 1 2 3. Yeah, it is right. You got your element of an array index 3. I hope you will get understood. Let's run it again. Yeah, clearly you can see here the message found at index 3, that your targeted element exists at the index 3. I hope you will get understood. Next